Hi, I really like football. In fact, I've taken it upon myself to train the next generation. Oh, I forgot to introduce myself. Hi, I'm a football coach. You all must have heard about IKEA. IKEA is a company that has shops worldwide. IKEA is famous for its furniture, which is at low prices and you can easily assemble it at home. So, when such a company, which is the best in furniture at affordable prices, when such a company comes to India, we as Indians go there to eat food.
तो अगर आप हमारी तरह मोस्टली कैफे जाने के लिए आ रहे हैं तो
I mean, seriously, IKEA has to put food court in their top categories for review. A furniture store has to do that because people are going there and eating their food and then writing reviews about the food. And somehow, this food category has more reviews than home accessories. Anyways, as I was saying, you know IKEA. IKEA has an ad on YouTube, which you must have seen recently advertised to you as well. It is about a 50% off sale. Well, this is not a sponsored video that I am saying this, but that is where I got the idea to do this from. So, what we are going to do today is we are going to go through some IKEA reviews that were left by Indians on IKEA's official website for India. And we are going to do this because we live in a country where people call this box too small, this tray too heavy, and this cushion cover too hollow. Lena here is giving a review and she says the product is good and happy. I think what she meant to say is that the product is living with her now and is happy as a part of her family and they are enjoying with the product, I think. And by the way, just to clarify this, she didn't buy the product, she adopted it. She adopted the bedside table. Next is Ekta and she is giving a review about fitted sheet. She writes green quality. Well, after looking at it, I think the quality is quite green. Vasudevan writes, wonderful friend for you. Man, the standards of Indian men are low. And guess what he is writing a review for? It's not a teddy bear. It's not a soft toy that some kid might think is his friend. It's not anything like that. It's a vacuum flask. Yes, a flask. And I think that the flask is Vasudevan's BFF, best flask friend. Very sorry to assemble. What is that supposed to mean? I mean, it might be sad to screw a stool, I guess. Amit writes the next review. He writes, poor with an extra O. Well, I can't agree more because when you see the product, you can easily tell that they really couldn't afford any cushioning. The next is a review on a aloe vera plant. Yes, this IKEA also sells plants, but you don't know that because you are going to eat food there. Coming back to the review says the plant died, and I feel very sorry for you and the plant. I know the plant was not just a plant for you, it must be a friend. This review was wrote by Seema for Seema, I guess, because that's the title of the review. I think she is giving a review about herself. Krishna here brought a mattress, and as per what they say, the mattress dysmorphed quite quickly. They also add the mattress had two bumps. No, you heard that right. She didn't say dent. The mattress didn't go down. It didn't get squeezed. Is the mattress growing an ass? Did you spill toxic chemicals on the mattress? Is the mattress going through mutation? What? Why are there two bumps on the mattress? There are also many interns, unpaid interns, I guess, who have wrote reviews for IKEA products. Reviews like already submitted. Reviews like small case and shorter version of okay. I saw a product called Kadhai Wok on IKEA. Kadhai and a wok are similar but different. Like we have Indian fried rice and there's actual fried rice. They eat bats, we eat gobar. They are a democracy, we are a democracy. Wait. Elected autocracy, one party government. The next review is of a trash can, and I must confess, the trash can looks very good. There are reviews like stylish, nice look for a trash can, nice look for a trash can, and I must say this, forget about a wonderful friend. I have got myself a wonderful wife, and I am going to go on IKEA's website ASAP and buy myself a wife. And last but not least, I have to tell you the full form of IKEA. IKEA stands for I can't read more reviews. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. And if you have any suggestions for me, you can always post them in the comments, and I will improve my videos as per that. Also, if you have any video ideas, you can always post them. I would be reading the comments, as I said. Since you have watched till the end, here's a special treat for you. I am going to reveal a government secret. The secret is about milk. The milk that you drink regularly, the milk you consume, comes from cows and buffaloes. So that's it. Bye.